Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 8. Our today's topic is question number 6, 7 and 8. I repeat, our today's topic is question number 6, 7 and 8. Dear students, look here. This is our lecture number 11 and SW number 10 on our annual term syllabus. So my dear students, let's start our class. At first, we will solve question number 6. So look here, question number 6, fill in the blanks with clues. So look what is written here, it is fill in the blanks with clues. So look at the structure. Number 1, in question number 6 I have given two questions, number 1 and number 2. So at first number 1, read the text below and fill in the gaps using the clues given in the boxes. There are more words than necessary, one word can be used once only. So look at the options or words. Isolated, in, separate, great, flat, people, vacation, suffering, illiterate, society, native and raising. These are the words or clues. Okay, we will fill in the blanks using these words. Now look, students should not dash themselves from society. So look here, students should not dash themselves. Here we will use a verb. So look here, students should not dash themselves from society. The correct answer is separate. Okay, look here, it is separate. I am writing, follow me. S-E-P-E, separate. Look here, it is given separate. Okay, S-E-P-A-R-A-T, separate themselves from society. They can serve the society dash many ways. Here we will use a preposition. It is in many ways. They can serve the society in many ways. Their service is of dash importance to the society. So look here, is of dash importance. Here we will use an adjective here, of great importance. So look, it is great importance. Great importance to the society. During dash they should go to there. So look here, during, okay, after preposition we will use a noun structure or noun word. That means during vacation they should go to there. So look, during vacation, V-A-C-A, vacation, T-I-O-N. So look, I have written here vacation word. During vacation they should go to their dash village. So look, they should go to their native village. Adjective, N-A-T-I-V-E. They should go to their native village. They can educate the dash. So look here, after the our article we will use here the noun word, illiterate. They can educate the illiterate. Look here, I-L-L-I-T-E-R-A-T. So look here, they can educate the illiterate. I-L-L-I-T-E-R-A-T, illiterate. During flood, they can remove the dash of the flood affected. So look here, then they can, here this one is given. During flood, they can remove the suffering of the flood affected. So look at the word sufferings or sorrows. S-U-F-F-E-R-I-N-G-S, sufferings. So look at the word sufferings, S-U-F-F-E-R-I-N-G-S, sufferings of the flood affected people. By dash fund, it will be raising fund. By raising fund as they live in village or society. Here written the word society. We will write this So look, I have written here society. So from the beginning I am telling students should not separate themselves from society. They can serve the society in many ways. Their service is of great importance to the society. During vacation they should go to their native village. They can educate the illiterate. During flood they can remove the suffering of the flood affected people by raising fund as they live in society. Now number 2, read the text below and fill in the gaps using the clues given in the boxes. There are more words than necessary. One word can be used once only. You know the formula, or you know the way. Countries travel, learn through, long, into, traveler, natural, abroad, education, learn, domain. Dear students, look here. In traveler it is written single L. Single L is okay and double L is also okay. Traveling is very interesting. It is a part of dash. So look here, after of, that means preposition, we will use noun here. That means it is a part of education. Where is the word education? Look here. It is a part of education. From traveling, a traveler can dash many funny things. A can, that means after modal auxiliary or auxiliary, we will use here the base form of the verb. So which one is the base form of the verb? So look here, then learn. Can, learn. Learn here is the base form, L-E-A-R-N. Can learn many funny things and enjoy dash beauties. Dash beauties, that means natural beauties. Natural beauties. Traveling gives us knowledge of home and abroad. Where is the word abroad? Look here, home and abroad. A-B-R-O-A-D, abroad. Ibn Battuta was a great traveler. So look at the word traveler. Was a great traveler. In his life he traveled many dash. He traveled many countries. He traveled many countries, and from traveling he also dashed many things. He also learned. Past form of the verb. Learn, past tense. L-E-A-R-N-T. So look, L-E-A-R-N-T. Look, it is written here, learned. Many things. So students should dash their level based. Should, that means after should you will use the verb, it will be travel. Students should travel. Students should travel their level based to widen or to enhance the dash of their practical knowledge. The domain of their practical knowledge. Look here, or the area of their practical knowledge. Domain means sector. Domain of their practical knowledge through traveling. It will be preposition. Where is the preposition? Through traveling. So look, through. T-H-R-O-U-G-S. So look, it is written. I am telling from the beginning. Traveling is very interesting. It is a part of education. From traveling, traveler can learn many funny things and enjoy natural beauties. Traveling gives us knowledge of home and abroad. Ibn Battuta was a great traveler. In his life, he traveled many countries, and from traveling, he also learned many things. So students should travel their, so look here, AS is also here, should travel their level based to widen or enhance the domain of their practical knowledge through traveling. Dear students, we have finished our question number 6. Now question number 7, fill in the blanks without clues. So look, read the text below and fill in the gaps using suitable words to make it a meaningful text. Honesty is a great virtue. It helps a man to dash in life. So look here, it helps a man to, after infinite, okay, to, that means we will use here a verb. It helps a man to dash in life. It will be prosper, succeed, shine. I have written here prosper. Okay, it helps a man to prosper. You can write prosper, shine, succeed, anyone. an honest man is dash. So look here, an honest man is liked, loved. That means the word in passive structure. It is liked. L-I-K-A-D. Liked. An honest man is liked or loved and respected by all. Nobody dash a dishonest man. Nobody likes or loves. So look here, nobody likes a dishonest man. A man dash be successful by means of dishonest. A man may be or can be. Oh, here B is written. A man can or may. Can or may. Anyone. A man can or may be successful by means of dishonest. So look here, dishonesty. Dishonesty, S-O-N-E-S. So look, that means after of it will be, okay, that means preposition. After preposition it will be noun word. Dishonesty, verb that is short-lived. Now dear students, we have finished our 7 number 1. Okay, that means question number 7-1. We have now segment number 2. Most of the farmers of our country are poor. They do not know how to dash and write. So look here, they do not know how to read and write. Will you say read? They do not know how to read and write. They, dear students, now we will move to our next page. They do not have dash of their land. They do not have lands of their own. Lands. They do not have lands of their own. They work as day laborer to others' land. Day laborer. Day laborer to others' land, though they dash hard. Though they work hard. Though they work hard, they do not lead a dash life. Okay, we will use here decent. We will use here, so look here, good life. They do not lead a decent, D-E-S-E-N-T, or good. Decent life. They are, so here the proper word is decent. Okay, I am writing here, follow me. E number. D-E-C-E-N-T, decent, not this one. Decent or good life or quality life. Quality. You can write any one, E number. So look here, E number you will write, you will follow this one. They do not lead a decent or good or quality life. They are neglected in our society. Now, okay, we will answer the question number 8. It is matching. So look here, match the parts of sentences from column A and B to make 5 complete sentences. There are more parts in column B than necessary. Dear students, in these connections I want to tell you, that means whenever you will write column in your exam script, you will write at first the corresponding number, then the words or sentence together. But due to have a shortage of time or due to have a time consuming issue, I am writing only the corresponding number. But in your exam script, you must write corresponding number, then the words together. So look here, my grandfather, okay, look at the never been ill in like this one. No, is exercise, swimming since his boyhood. My grandfather is 96 years old. Generalizing idea. That means A plus 5. A plus V, that means 5. Okay, you will write the word together. That means this one and this one is done. Now B. So look what is written here. He has. So look, he has never been ill in his life. That means B plus 1. Now C. B plus 1 is done. Now see, according to my grandfather, the secret of good health. So look here, according to my grandfather, the secret of good health is exercise. Number 2. This one and this one is done. So he goes to, so look, he goes to swimming every day. That means D represent what? D represent 3. 1, 2 and 3. Last matching, it is E number matching. So look, he has been doing this since his boyhood. E represents 4. That means all are done here. Okay, now matching number 2. A represents 5, B represents 1, C represents 2, D represents 3 and E represents 4. Now matching number 2. Match the parts of sentences from column A and B to make 5 complete sentences. There are more parts in column B than necessary. So look here. This is the formula to answer the question matching. This column A and column B here, number A, the role of women in nation building. Okay, look, the role of women in nation buildings, look option, rich not goal, has been changed into the progress of. There should be no dignity between that, no, where looked down upon without any dignity and honor, no. The role of women in nation building cannot be denied anymore in the situation of the world. That means A represent 5. A plus 5. So look, cannot be denied. Now B number. It is not possible for any nation to, so look here, after to infinitive, we'll use the verb here. So to serve, so look here, it is not possible for any nation to reach its goal without allowing the women folk to play their active role. That means B represents 1. B represents 1. Now see, there was a time when women, it was the, that means it was about past tense. There was a time when women were looked down upon without any dignity and love. C number represents 4. That means during that time they had no dignity and honor. Our last D number, not last number, another one is left. They were the only instrument to, so look, they were the only instrument to, again to, that means infinitive, we will use the verb here, to serve the family affairs. VI. Last matching. So look here, the outlook and attitude of the world towards women. So look here, the outlook and attitude of the world to women has been changed with the progress of civilization. That means E represents 2. E represents 2. So dear students, I am telling you in short, matching number 2, A represents 5, B represents 1, C represents 4 and D represents 6 and E represents 2. Last, dear students, look at the end of our book. It is written homework. Look, homework number 10, question number 6 and 7, only answer. So look, no need to pick up all the questions. You will do only answer. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood this important and interesting class. So dear students, look here, it is written my messenger name and messenger ID, my mobile number also, Abul Kalam. If anybody has any query, I am telling again, if anybody has any query regarding our today's class, please don't hesitate to write me in the comment box. Inshallah, I will give the answer of your questions. And finally, practicing at home and abide by your parents' advice. See you again. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.